In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your order details on Dr. Martens' website. Understanding how to navigate your orders can really streamline your shopping experience, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another, any browser that you're comfortable with will do just fine. Now, once your browser is open and ready, type in the following address: www.rmartens.com. That's the official website for Dr. Martens, where you can find all their products and your account details. Once the site loads, you'll notice the layout is clean and straightforward, which makes things a lot easier. Look to the top right corner of the page. That's where you'll see a sign in option. Go ahead and click on sign in. Now, you'll need to enter your email address and password. These should be the same ones you used when creating your Dr. Martens account. It's always a good idea to keep your login information secure, so make sure you're using a password you haven't shared elsewhere. After you're signed in, look again towards the top right of the page. You should see your account name or icon. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, you want to select My Account. Selecting My Account takes you to a hub where you'll be able to see and manage all things related to your Dr. Martens account. This includes your personal information, saved addresses, and of course your order history. Now that you're in the My Account section, the next thing you need to do is navigate to the Orders section. Within this area, you'll find all your recent and past orders listed. This is incredibly helpful if you want to check the status of an order, see what you've purchased previously, or track a package that's on its way to you. You can click on each order to get more detailed information like whether it's been shipped, tracking information if it's available, and any other specifics about your purchase. And that's pretty much all there is to it. This process is not only straightforward but also gives you easy access to all your important purchase details. Once you're familiar with this, it becomes second nature to check on your orders and manage your account whenever you need to. By doing this, you ensure you never miss an update on your favorite pair of boots or any other items you might have ordered. I hope you found this guide helpful. Navigating your orders on Dr. Martens' website is a piece of cake once you know where to go. Keep this guide in mind the next time you're surfing their site or waiting on that perfect pair of shoes. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.